In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a loan on the Capitec app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a loan using the latest version of the Capitec mobile app. So open the latest version of the Capitec mobile app on any device and log into your account using your credentials. Now, once you go over to the application, you have to look for the Loans section. Usually, it is going to be on the app's main menu. This might also be labeled as credit or a similar term. And when you choose Loans, you will be able to see the various loan types that Capitec offers. So choose the one that best suits your needs, such as a personal loan, vehicle finance, or home loan. When you choose any of these, you will be able to select Apply Now associated with the chosen loan type and provide the required information. The app will guide you through the process, and you will have to present various different documents and required information, such as the loan amount, the repayment term, and documents related to your contact information. So, upload all the supporting documents such as proof of income, identity, and address, and submit the application. You will need to wait for approval. Capitec will process your loan application, and you will receive a notification about the approval or rejection status. To be eligible for a loan, you need to meet Capitec's specific requirements, which may include having a stable income, a good credit history, and being a citizen or resident of your country. Next, be aware of any included interest rate and fees associated with your loan because this will depend on various factors, including your credit worthiness and the type of loan that you are applying for. Some apps allow you to use a loan calculator to get an estimate of your monthly repayments and total interest. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a loan on Capitec app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.